Hi, welcome back. Long ago, before YouTube, I had a greenhouse business. And I had 12,000 square foot of greenhouse, and I did my own seeding. And I couldn't afford a needle seeder back in the beginning, so I had an old-fashioned thing for putting in your seeds. This here is a 10 by 20 piece of plywood, 2 half-inch pieces glued together, and 3/8" dowel rods glued in with some waterproof glue. The waterproof glue is because these rods are going to get wet or damp, although they did a lot for me because I did so much seeding. And you don't want them to pop out. So waterproof glue. And the 10 by 20 reason is that you fill this with your soil mix for your seedlings, and you drop it in there, press it down lightly, and it would leave the impression of the 3/8" dowels in the soil. Then you can roll your seed, do your seeding, and gently roll over it with your hand to cover it, and then gently mist that, and then cover it up with a piece of plastic, and you're all set. I did all kinds of flowers and vegetables this way, and it was easy then. Then you can lift out, when the seeds are all done, you can lift them out, and before that, even you can put your little tags in here so you know what you have way after the fact of planting. You say, well, what was in that row? They're all going to look alike when you first start. All the begonias look alike, except if you bought bronze leaf, and then all the impatiens look alike until they flower. So there it is. You got a instant DIY unit to use for your impressing into the soil. Pretty soon in the rest of the country is going to be warm enough to start doing your seeding. You have your cold weather crops and you have your warm weather crops, and you have things that you're going to put in the soil in the garden, and you're going to have things that you want to do hydroponically outside, because you can grow tomatoes hydroponically outside in a bucket, one at a time. It takes care of itself, and you can have a sheltered place for it where the bugs aren't going to eat at it. It'll be even more fun. You'll be eating tomatoes off the vine all summer long, or at least until it gets hot. Okay, that's it. Thanks for watching. If you found this information useful, give me a thumbs up and subscribe. Any comments, questions, anything, to let me know. I'll answer you. Thanks again.